Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogtober, day number 29. Oh, you're getting the crazy hair again. I was gonna get up and do my hair, do my makeup, and film a couple videos, but I just decided that I was gonna wait and do that tomorrow because I'm totally in the zone with this new reformat of my kits, and I just didn't want to break that momentum, you know? So I think I'm gonna film a bunch of stuff tomorrow. I like to film like everything, like as much as I can in one day because I don't get ready every day. Like I don't do my hair and makeup every day. You guys know that. And so I like to just have like 1 or 2 days a week where I just dedicate that to filming. So I want to clean my apartment and film a whole clean with me. For my cleaning channel, I need to do a Q&A. So if you guys have any questions you want answered, leave them in the comments below. I should have this video up before I film the Q&A, but if not, I'll answer your questions in another video. I'd like to do like a Q&A once a month. I think that would be a lot of fun, especially since I get, you know, several new people to my channel and you may not know stuff about me. So if you want to know something about me, definitely leave it in the comments below. And I'll try to answer it in tomorrow's video if I see it in time, but if not, I will answer it in the next Q&A video. But anyway, so I need to do that. I think I am going to film a couple plan with me's today because I need to do that. But as far as like face-to-face sit-down videos, I'm not filming anything today. So I was just like, you know what, I just won't do my hair. I will do everything tomorrow. So that's what my plan is, to get all that done tomorrow. And today just focus on sticker stuff and like plan with me's where you don't actually see, like my hair looks so bad, you guys. It looks so bad. But we are going to help with our like church. It's not a Halloween thing, but like it is a Halloween thing. Let's be real. It is a Halloween thing. But our church like trick or treat sort of thing tomorrow. So I figured I need to look presentable with my hair tomorrow anyway. James and I are dressing up. I can't wait to show you guys that and what we're actually going to be. But so yeah, that's what's going on tomorrow. But today, you're just getting this because I just can't. It's also super gloomy outside and it's just putting me in a mood where I'm just like, I don't really feel like doing anything. But I mean, I have been working really hard on the reformat. So I'll show you guys that because I've actually been doing that for a while and I just haven't even turned on the camera today. So, hi, this is the first time I'm vlogging all day. I also need to clean my office. It is a disaster since I was working so hard yesterday on getting all the orders and advent calendars out. It's just a mess. So anyway, let me show you guys what I've been working on this morning because I've been hard at work with these stickers. I'm so excited about this reformat. I'm just trying to figure it all out, to be honest, because I'm like, what do I put in here? What, you know, what do you guys want to see? And what do I need to take out? What do I need to add in? But I think I'm doing a good job. So let me show you guys. Okay, so here's the first page. Not a whole lot changed as far as layout and stuff, but I did change up the font and all these stickers. I took some of the icons out of these stickers, and then I added these little labels at the bottom. So that's what changed on the first page. The second page changed a lot. I need to change colors. I actually changed the hearts in my checklist, so I changed it on this side too, which is why they're all one color right now. So I did that, and then I added these little boxes at the bottom. I put in more half boxes, more quarter boxes, and I think that I'm only going to have like to-do headers because that seemed to be what everybody said they were using, is like to-do headers and glitter headers. So I'm still gonna have like the glitter headers. I think I might just bundle the glitter headers in here, so I might just put them here with the washi. That might be a good idea. And then we have, you know, I've changed the font over here, changed the font on some of these. I've added more scallop labels and just little things like that. And then, like I said, I think maybe the way to go would be to put the glitter headers here and then have the washi. I think I like that. Maybe that's what I'll do. So that's what I have so far with the reformat of the weekly kits. And I also want to work on a print pression week style kit where you could use it with that, or you could use it in like an A6 type of thing. So yeah, that's what I'm working on today. Just trying to get that done, and then once I get the layout the way that I want it, I'm gonna switch up colors and patterns and create different kits and whatever. I'm trying to decide like how I want to do the mini kit because it is gonna look different obviously than the full kit, So yeah, I just have a lot of reformatting to do. So that's what I've been doing. I also need to edit yesterday's vlog and get that up for you guys. But yeah, today's just a super, like, I don't want to say lazy day because I'm working obviously, but it's like a super chill work day where like I'm not getting ready. Okay guys, I was showing you earlier me like reformatting stuff and working on the new kit. Well, one of the new kits. I have like several that I want to come out with. And then I also just finished editing yesterday's vlog so I can get that up. And now I think I'm going to take a lunch break and eat because it's 1:30 and I have not had any lunch yet. So I think I'm going to do that. And then after that, I think I'm going to film my plan with me's. So yeah. Actually, I need to film the October monthly because I didn't do that and it's almost done. I need to film a November monthly and I need to film a last week's and maybe this week's, I don't know. And I kind of want to film a print impression weeks also. I have like several videos that I want to film. I've just not been able to just because like there's already so many videos going up on my channel just because of Vlogtober. So it's just been hard to get everything that I want up because of that, because I just feel like there's so much content like going up on my channel every day. But yeah, but I want to like get a head start for November's content, especially since I'm not going to be vlogging every single day in November. I'm going to do weekly vlogs. I'm still going to vlog. I'm still going to show you guys my life, but I'm going to not do daily vlogs because I feel like daily vlogs are just hard to do. It's, you know, it takes time editing and uploading every day, and then filming and like trying to remember to film everything. It like there's a lot that goes into it. I am excited to take a little bit of a break, if I'm being completely honest. I have enjoyed it and I feel like you guys have gotten to know me better and you guys have really enjoyed it. But I, you know, if I'm being honest, I'm definitely like, okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to just take a chill pill for a minute. So anyway, but I'm gonna go grab some lunch because I'm hungry, and then I'm gonna film my plan with me videos, and then I'll catch you guys up after I do all of that. Okay guys, it is time to cook some dinner. So that's what I'm gonna do. First, we have to decide what we're going to have for dinner. We have the chicken bulgogi, I think is how you say bull. I don't know how to say it. So we have this as an option. This takes about 25 minutes. We have roasted pork tenderloin with lemony potatoes and zucchini. That looks amazing. That takes 30 minutes. And then we have the pulled pork fiesta bowls, which those look amazing as well. And they take 20 minutes. I think, I kind of want to do this one. I think this is what I'm going to do. Not that anyone questions it ever, But just in case, I washed this. Just want to throw that out there. Just because I didn't show it on vlog doesn't mean it didn't happen. Not that anybody has ever said anything, but I always like think about that. I'm like, somebody gonna think I don't wash my food before I do, just so you know. Okay, you guys, dinner's done. Don't mind the carrots that are on there. I just am a messy person, apparently, and I will clean that up later. But this is what they look like. This guy came home.
Exactly when I said I would.
Wrong.
Just like a wizard. I'm never late, I'm never early. I always arrive exactly when I intended.
Okay. Anyway, so we're gonna eat our food now. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Thumbs up, thumbs up. Thumb up your nose. I don't know. You guys, I had to show you how insane this is. Look, 1 bag of autumn mix, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We literally bought all the autumn mix bags that they had. Someone...
Well, don't have my chapstick on, they're all gonna laugh at me.
Do you put it on like super weird?
Yeah.
How do you put it on? Well, alrighty then. I just had to show you guys that because we have 6 bags of autumn mix because someone has an obsession with autumn mix.
I'm not the one who bought them all.
Yes, you are.
Well, okay, I'm the one who paid for them all. I'm not the one who grabbed them all off the shelf.
So here is why. Here is why. Because lately when we've gone to like Target or Walmart or anywhere, he keeps looking for this and they only have regular candy corn.
Which is fine. I like regular candy corn. But you can buy that all year, so it's like whatever.
But he really wants the autumn mix, okay? So when we found it, I was like, we got to get them all because we haven't been able to find them. So that's why I just love you so much and I want you to have the stuff that you want. Why is that a crime?
I didn't say that it was a crime. You just were not giving them all the details.
Okay, so yeah, so we got all of that because I was like, we just need to stock up on this because every time we go to the store, he can't find it, and that's what he likes. The only problem is now he's going to eat them all within a week. Watch, within a week.
No, because I won't be here next week, so I won't eat them all.
Within a week.
Is that a challenge? Because I could if that's what you're doing.
So I figured that now was the perfect time to end today's vlog because we're literally just going to watch a movie and probably fall asleep. Right?
If you fall asleep, I'm going to play video games.
Also, guys, the reason he's not looking at the camera is because he's trying to find a movie. So, anyway.
Give you a side eye. Like Dixie does.
Yeah, Dixie's side eye game is strong. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of not like super eventful, but I showed you guys designing a ton of stuff, so that was fun.
And you showed me.
Someone thinks he's the center of attention now. Fame has gone to his head.
Well, I will be on this one.
Fame has gone to your head.
I know, look how big it is.
Anyway, so that's going to wrap it up for today's video. But tomorrow, we have exciting stuff. We get to show you guys our Halloween costumes, and I'm so excited about that. I can't wait for you guys to see that. because we're helping with like the fall fair thing at our church. We are going to show you guys our costumes, and I'm so excited about it. I can't wait. So if you guys want to see what we're going to be dressed up as for Halloween, make sure that you click the subscribe button and the bell notification. That way you're notified whenever I upload that vlog. But that is going to be it for today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Will you see them tomorrow?
I guess. Will I? I don't know. Sometimes you don't vlog me.
Well, of course you will. I just said that we're gonna show our Halloween costumes.
Well, then I'll be there.
Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Me.